Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Sims 4 on an external hard drive Windows. Only way. Plug the drive, format to NTFS, copy the entire Sims 4 folder from Documents and Program Files, and keep the same folder names. Create a junction point using mclink to point the original folder path to the external drive. Verify game runs through Origin or Steam and check saves, mods, and gallery for proper loading before playing. First, prepare the external drive so Windows will treat it like local storage and host all Sims 4 data reliably. Format the drive to NTFS, assign a permanent drive letter in disk management, and ensure it has enough free space for the base game plus packs. Label the drive clearly so you recognize it every time, and avoid using USB hubs that may disconnect during gameplay, which can corrupt files and saves. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's great for reading patch notes and guides while waiting for downloads, and it fits nicely beside your gaming setup. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you snag one, let me know what you think. Now let's get back to the video. Now move the game files and create the junction so Windows still reads the original path while actually using the external drive. Copy documents /electronic arts /The Sims 4 and the Origin or Steam installation folder to the external drive. Open command prompt as admin and run mclink/jc, path to original E, path to moved substituting your paths. Launch the game, verify mods and saves, and let automatic updates download to the external drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.